Good afternoon. Welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Jungle Green Metallic. Skoda Yeti 1.2 TSI. It's an SE drive outdoor DSG automatic gearbox, Euro 6 ULEZ compliant, start-stop. 65,000 miles by its two owners from new. MOT'd until the 15th of the 10th 26. Last service the 15th of the 10th 25 at 60,000 miles. Service history 6 services, 18, 34, 39, 46, 53 and 60,000 miles, and the price is £11,595. Got those lovely 17-inch Matterhorn black and silver alloy wheels. We can see it's got front park sensors, daytime running lights built into the headlamps, front fog lamps. Got a dash cam there up in the windscreen, roof rails on the roof. Both of those tyres have got, or on this side of the car, both tyres have got lots of tread. Rear park sensors. This car's got satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, voice control, app connect via USB, headlamp washers, front and rear park sensors, a nice dash cam fitted there. All the electric windows, got the original Yeti fitted carpet mats. Seats, the cloth is in nice condition, black with diamonds with white stitching. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Tyre pressure monitoring, obviously it's start, stop, heated seats, freezing cold air conditioning and climate control. Automatic gearbox. Pretty sure it's got cruise control as well, but we'll have a look on the stalk when we get round to the driver's side. Very clean throughout. Load cover is in the parcel shelf, and it has a space saver spare wheel. Rear park sensors built into the bumper. Big boot, lovely and clean. Got the storage hooks on the side. And yes, space saver spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, etc, etc. Toolkit all present and correct. Nice condition this side as well. Dunlop tyre there. Got a Bridgestone tyre there. Yes, got cruise control, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, 4 electric windows, automatic headlamps, nice leather steering wheel, cruise control over there on the stalk. This is satellite navigation. No wear on the driver's seat. Very nice car. 6 services, 65,000 miles. £11,595. I've just driven it. A beautiful car to drive, and as I say, the aircon and climate control is freezing cold. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. that's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. Now this video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be several Skoda Yetis. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.